Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be forging an axe. We're going for a Danish style axe, and it's our first time forge welding. We're going for a two-part construction. Here I'm cutting the mild steel for the eye of the axe, and I'm going to use a piece of leaf spring for the blade. I cut the mild steel to the design I was looking for, and this will form the eye of the axe. Next, we're folding over the mild steel, which forms the eye of the axe. We're cleaning off the scale to prepare it for forge welding. After applying a thick layer of borax, the pieces are heated up and welded together. We did 2 welding heats, and the axe is then forged to shape. While forging the axe to shape, we noticed a few spots weren't completely forge welded, but most of the axe was welded, so we continued to forge the axe to shape. At this point we're straightening the axe and preparing it to heat treat, but that will be in part 2, so look out for that. Make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button below and look out for part 2. Make sure to hit the notification bell to be alerted as soon as it comes out. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.